The past week has been a bloodbath for crypto, with more than $400 billion in value wiped from the market. Bitcoin, Ethereum and Solana, three of the biggest currencies, all experienced significant dives. So too did XRP, but its recovery has already begun. So could this signal the beginning of XRP's surge, and should you continue to hold it? In this video, I'll answer both of those questions, but first, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to stay across the latest videos from Kalkine. XRP has been somewhat of a thorn in the side for many investors for a prolonged period now. XRP has been sitting as a top 10 currency in terms of market cap and trading volume for some time, but unlike other coins in this bracket, it's yet to enjoy a price explosion. Its all-time high still sits at just $3.84, and that was achieved all the way back in January 2018. It was a fleeting moment for XRP. Within 5 days it dropped a third of that value, and less than a month later it had lost more than $3 to trade at just 69 cents. It took 3 further years for the project to again breach the $1 resistance barrier, doing so in the April surge earlier this year, going on to reach a year-to-date high of $1.93 on the 14th of April. Now, with all that said, XRP has still seen more than 90% in growth in the past year, but it pales in comparison to the likes of Solana, which has grown by more than 10,000% this year. So the question might arise, why exactly is XRP so popular, and why do so many people continue to hodl? Well, ultimately, its fundamentals, underscored by the XRP ledger, remain very strong. Most long-term investors have been scratching their heads as to why it hasn't already moved. Part of that issue stems from Ripple Labs, the developers of XRP, and their long battle with the SEC, also known as the US Securities Exchange. The SEC sued Ripple, alleging they have been conducting a $1.3 billion unregistered securities offering since the token's creation. Ripple and its executives have denied the allegations, and the company has argued that XRP has traded and been used as a digital currency only. Proponents of crypto would certainly agree, and it's looking increasingly likely that a decision in Ripple's favour will be reached. So what then does the future hold for XRP? If a resolution can be reached in the SEC case, a weight will well and truly be lifted from XRP's shoulders. In theory, we would see an immediate flourish on the charts and a swath of investors flocking to the platform. At its core, it's a terrific project that has the ability to compete against Ethereum. With Ethereum's gas fees now resembling the cost of Joe Biden's US gas fees, XRP's incredibly low cost of 0.02 cents per transaction is incredibly enticing. If the scope of the project can be broadened to become a stable for NFTs, then things could get really exciting. It's also significantly faster than the Big Daddy Bitcoin, with transactions being enacted on the XRP ledger in around 3 seconds, with up to 1,500 transactions possible at any given time. XRP's evolving airdrop ecosystem and its highly regarded XUMM wallet also has people closely watching the project and predicting an increase in price moving forward. And despite the current crypto bloodbath, over the past 24 hours as of 5 PM Australian Eastern Standard Time, XRP is up 3.6%. So what does all that mean? It means that if you own XRP, hold onto it for dear life. It's picking up steam at an increased rate and manages volatility better than most. It presents as a strong long-term option and could be poised to reclaim its all-time high in the next 12 months and push $4 apiece. Investors would be well placed to monitor and potentially buy dips, and if they already have a bag, they could do worse than to follow the advice of William Wallace and hold! Well, if you enjoyed the information contained in this video, then please make sure to like, share, subscribe to the channel, drop us a comment about what other crypto-related info you'd like us to break down, and of course, don't forget to press the bell icon to stay across the latest videos from Kalkine. For more information, just head across to the website, kalkinemedia.com. I'm James Preston, holding for Kalkine.